1. 1969 Chevrolet Nova Coupe. Price, $45,000, located, Hillsboro, Missouri. This 1969 Chevrolet Nova Coupe is a serious big tire street machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle car styling combined with proven high-performance components. Finished in dark blue metallic paint with tinted glass, this Nova commands attention with its aggressive stance and professionally constructed appearance. With only a few hundred miles driven since completion, the vehicle remains in very good condition and is ready for shows, cruises, or weekend performance driving. Power comes from a Chevrolet 502 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Hurst ratchet shifter. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears and strange axles for exceptional durability. Massive Hoosier rear tires, a fully tubbed rear section, and narrowed frame rails provide outstanding traction and a classic pro street look. Additional features include four-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, coilover suspension on all four corners, odometer gauges, a carbon fiber dash panel, Procar bucket seats, and a custom interior. This Nova delivers impressive performance while maintaining the timeless appeal of a legendary American muscle car. 2. 1969 Dodge Dart. Price, $44,000, located, Commack, New York. This 1969 Dodge Dart is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for serious competition and consistent performance. Built around a powerful 530 cubic inch V1 megablock engine, this race car features premium components throughout and has been carefully maintained to remain competitive at the track. The vehicle is equipped with a new bullet camshaft, BAM lifters, Jessel rocker system, belt drive setup, and a professionally prepared carburetor system that maximizes performance. The chassis is constructed from mild steel and carries a current 8.50 certification, making it suitable for high-performance racing applications. Power is delivered through an air-shifted Power Glide transmission equipped with a trans brake and PTC converter for reliable launches. Additional features include a Stinger 3-plate system, progressive nitrous setup, professionally wired control panel, and a 4-link rear suspension. A Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 4.56 gears helps transfer power efficiently to the track surface. Weighing approximately 2,450 pounds without a driver, this Dart represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a proven and competitive drag car. 3. 1990 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $30,000, located, Corydon, Indiana. This 1990 Ford Mustang Coupe is a professionally built drag racing vehicle engineered for serious competition. Featuring a certified chassis and extensive performance upgrades, this Fox body Mustang has been developed with a focus on strength, reliability, and race-winning potential. The vehicle carries an 8.50 certification and includes through-the-floor subframe connectors, reinforced torque boxes, and a mini-tubbed rear section. Power comes from a fresh 440 cubic inch Dart block small block Ford engine equipped with high Portrick flow cylinder heads, Jessel shaft-mounted rockers, and a Qi intake manifold. The drivetrain includes a professionally built Power Glide transmission with trans brake, deep pan, upgraded clutch drum, and a bolt-together converter. The vehicle has only a few passes on the current combination. Additional features include strange brakes, Menser shocks, Willwood front brakes, Racepack digital instrumentation, MSD grid ignition management, fiberglass body panels, Stroud parachute, and lightweight racing components throughout. With a clean title and proven racing pedigree, this Mustang is ready for competition and offers exceptional performance potential. 4. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price, $35,000, located, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a dedicated drag racing machine built with high-quality components and proven performance in mind. Featuring an iconic first-generation Camaro body and a legal title, this vehicle combines classic muscle car styling with serious racing capability. The car has been designed for consistency, reliability, and competitive performance at the drag strip. Power comes from a massive 500 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built using a bow tie block, Dart cylinder heads, Jessel valve train components, and a dry sump oiling system. Exhaust duties are handled by premium Cook's headers, while power is delivered through a Power Glide transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with a strange center section. The chassis features ladder bar suspension, a tube front end with lightweight struts, Willwood braking components, and a fire suppression system for added safety. Steel rear quarter panels maintain structural integrity while lightweight Lexan windows reduce overall weight. This Camaro has earned a reputation for being highly reliable and exceptionally consistent, making it an outstanding choice for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 5. 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $30,000, located, Millstone Township, New Jersey. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS Pro Street is a powerful muscle car built to deliver outstanding straight-line performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic Nova. Constructed with performance as the primary objective, this vehicle combines aggressive styling with a professionally built racing engine package capable of producing impressive horsepower and acceleration. At the heart of the build is a Henry Jackson Racing Engine's 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet power plant producing approximately 900 horsepower. This combination has already demonstrated its capabilities by running quarter-mile times in the 9-second range, with additional performance potential available through further tuning and setup adjustments. The vehicle features a Pro Street configuration that provides the aggressive stance and traction necessary for handling substantial power. Recent safety upgrades include newly installed roll bars, adding both protection and structural strength. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle cars with serious performance credentials, this Nova SS represents an excellent opportunity to own a professionally prepared street and strip machine capable of attracting attention both on and off the track. 6. 1971 Ford Torino Cobra Jet. Price, $35,000, located, East Setauket, New York. This 1971 Ford Torino Cobra Jet Pro Street is a rare and highly modified muscle car that has remained with the same owner for approximately 25 years. Built far beyond the average Pro Street vehicle, this Torino combines classic Ford styling with exceptional horsepower and carefully selected racing components. Finished in red with a black interior, the vehicle presents an aggressive appearance that matches its impressive performance capabilities. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt Cobra Jet engine enlarged to 514 cubic inches and producing approximately 800 horsepower. The engine features forged internal components, roller rockers, a solid lifter camshaft, Corrigo connecting rods, Ford Motorsport intake components, and a Dominator carburetor. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission with manual valve body, trans brake, and line lock. Additional features include a Dana 60 rear axle with 4.56 gears, Moser axles, 4-link suspension, fuel cell, certified roll cage, fiberglass body panels, and massive Mickey Thompson rear tires. This Torino represents a serious Pro Street build with outstanding performance and collector appeal. 7. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 2AFX. Price, $75,000, located, Bristol, Connecticut. This 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 2AFX is a professionally built altered wheelbase drag car that pays tribute to one of the most legendary eras in American drag racing history. Unlike many race car builds, this vehicle was constructed with exceptional attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and safety. The car retains its all-steel body construction with the exception of the lightweight hood and front bumper, preserving the authentic character of the original Belvedere. Power comes from a professionally built 426 Hemi engine enlarged to 444 cubic inches and equipped with Edelbrock cylinder heads, dual Holley carburetors, a Mopar performance intake manifold, and custom stainless steel headers. The engine is paired with a race-prepared automatic transmission built by Randy J. and a high-performance torque converter. Additional features include a strange Dana rear axle with 4.10 gears, torsion bar front suspension, Gary Ball interior, and 2 complete wheel and tire packages. Award-winning and show-ready, this Plymouth combines historic styling, exceptional engineering, and proven performance in one outstanding package. 8. 1972 Buick Skylark Coupe. Price, $7,500, located, Chadds, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Buick Skylark Coupe is a classic American muscle-era vehicle that offers vintage styling, dependable operation, and excellent potential for enthusiasts seeking an affordable collectible. Finished in green, this Skylark retains the timeless appearance that made Buick models of the early 70s popular among drivers who wanted both comfort and performance in a stylish package. The vehicle is reported to be running and driving, making it an attractive option for someone looking to enjoy a classic car immediately while continuing improvements over time. The body maintains the distinctive lines and proportions that define the Skylark, giving it a strong presence on the road and at local automotive events. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the car offers comfortable cruising characteristics and easy operation. Its straightforward mechanical design also makes maintenance and upgrades relatively simple for hobbyists and collectors. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, restoration project, or entry-level classic vehicle, this Buick Skylark represents a great opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history at an affordable price point. 9. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $30,000, located, Norwalk, Connecticut. This 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a meticulously maintained bracket racing machine built for consistent performance and competitive results. Designed specifically for track use, this Camaro combines proven big block power with a professionally engineered chassis package capable of delivering reliable performance pass after pass. The vehicle has been carefully inspected and maintained following every racing event. Power is provided by a massive 572 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a freshly rebuilt Powerglide transmission housed in a Reed racing case. The drivetrain is complemented by a race-prepared Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring fresh Pro gears for durability and consistency. Performance electronics include a 7AL ignition system, updated wiring, and a KNR delay box. Additional equipment includes Menser shocks, ladder bar suspension, QA1 control arms, and aerospace components braking systems. The car can be configured with either large or small tire combinations depending on racing requirements. Built exclusively for racing applications, this Camaro is an excellent choice for serious competitors seeking a reliable and proven track performer. 10. 1971 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $30,000, located, Fairfield, Connecticut. This 1971 Chevrolet Vega is a unique custom street machine that combines lightweight construction with impressive V8 performance. Built to deliver both comfort and power, the vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition. Its clean appearance and well-executed modifications make it an attractive choice for enthusiasts seeking something different from traditional muscle car platforms. Under the hood is a powerful 383 cubic inch stroker engine paired with a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears, providing a balance of strong acceleration and enjoyable cruising characteristics. The rear end assembly is reported to be brand new, further enhancing reliability and performance. One of the standout features of this Vega is the inclusion of air conditioning, a rare and desirable addition in many custom performance vehicles. The combination of lightweight construction, strong V8 power, automatic transmission, and modern comfort features creates a vehicle that is equally enjoyable on the street and at automotive events. This Vega offers an excellent blend of performance, uniqueness, and practicality. 11. 1956 Chevrolet. Price, $24,000, located, Fairfield, Iowa. This 1956 Chevrolet is a purpose-built drag racing machine that combines classic Chevrolet styling with serious track-ready performance. Finished in a distinctive matte black exterior, this vehicle was constructed to deliver strong acceleration and dependable results while retaining the iconic appearance of a mid-50s American classic. The car comes with a title and has been carefully prepared for competitive racing applications. Power is provided by a massive 540 cubic inch engine producing approximately 800 horsepower. The high-performance power plant is paired with a Jericho 4-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control and precise gear changes during competition. A Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.87 gears helps maximize acceleration and transfer power effectively to the track surface. The chassis features a 4-link rear suspension system designed to improve traction and stability under hard launches. All 4 tires are brand new and have never been raced, adding significant value to the package. With additional rear-end components included, this Chevrolet offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a proven and highly capable drag car. 12. 1975 Chevrolet Nova Custom. Price, $4,200, located, Quincy, Illinois. This 1975 Chevrolet Nova Custom is an excellent project vehicle for enthusiasts looking to complete a classic muscle car build with many desirable performance upgrades already installed. While the vehicle currently does not run and requires engine repairs, it provides a strong foundation for someone seeking a budget-friendly restoration or street performance project. The body has received significant metal work, helping preserve the car for future completion. The drivetrain includes a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring Dart Iron Eagle SS cylinder heads, full roller rockers, Edelbrock RPM camshaft, intake manifold, and a Holley carburetor. An additional Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor is included with the sale. Power is transferred through a built 700R4 automatic transmission equipped with a manual lockup feature and a performance stall converter. Additional upgrades include hooker headers, line lock, B&M Pro ratchet shifter, Keltrack traction bars, 4.10 positraction rear axle, reinforced axles, new suspension components, and a 4-point roll bar. This Nova offers substantial potential for the next owner to complete and customize.